folks, welcome back to Desert Adventures in Arizona. Naomi and I are out cruising around the desert looking for interesting things. This is right after it rained last night. We had some pretty heavy rain, so it's always interesting to go out and look around, see what's washed up or washed away. We found this hole here that appears to be a test dig for maybe a mining claim, not sure. But at any rate, kind of interesting, along with some discarded cans and bottles and things. Kind of indicates maybe it was an old mining camp at one time. We don't see any other evidence of buildings or anything, but we'll keep looking. Okay, so this tells you it's pretty old. Haven't seen any cans like that in a while. Some more cans over here. More cans over there. Almost looks like this is part of somebody's yard years and years ago. And look at this. We got a big old hole here. I wonder what that was for, maybe for a well at one time. So right next to the wash. I think we found the stuff that came out of that hole. It's almost like that was maybe a test hole for mining. Maybe looking for silver. That's stuff that you usually don't find on the surface.